I wish you Happy New Year, the best year 2025. But I take you for photo shoot, new place in a restaurant. It's my first job this year. It's amazing place. I check online. I was there, check how looks the place where I will be shoot. Amazing restaurant with good food. Lot of meat, burgers, something like that. But the owner is amazing. The lady, the owner, and her husband is amazing people. Have amazing place, serve delicious food, and I take you there. Let me know in the comment you like that photo to see behind the stand from the restaurant, coffee shops, or some places what I photography. But now let's go to the inside and start to shoot. Because I can work with natural lights. I set up everything. Camera will be used the table today from restaurant for the shoot. It's beautiful.